Hello and welcome to our third video from the series of tutorials on how to set up a seller e-commerce platform. In this video, we will finally touch something more interesting and something that your customers will directly interact with, and it's categories. In the previous tutorial, or tutorials, we showed you how to log into the dashboard, and we also prepared some initial localization data which will later help us with defining product prices and in general serving the correct data to our users. In this tutorial, we will create some initial categories, because with categories you will be able to group your products together, and using them your customers will be able to browse your products more easily and in a more intuitive way. So let's dive in. We will again log into our dashboard and we will click in the left side menu bar to our catalog and we will select the categories. As you can see, we have no categories, but we will shortly change it and we will create 3 categories so that you can see how it basically works. So we will click on new category. Nice form will be shown to us. As you can see, by default we have an option to fill in the English and Czech language. So we will go ahead and create our main parent categories. You can have as many parent categories as you want. So let's go ahead and create the first one. It will be an apparel, under which we will then create a t-shirt and trousers. It's pretty simple, but it's perfect for example. As you can see, this disabled field was filled in automatically based on the title, because the slug is basically what your user will see in the URL bar and fill in some description. If you want to edit the slug, you can simply do it by clicking this button and you will be able to edit it somehow as you wish, but it's fairly good practice to keep them the same. And we will also fill in our Czech translation, which, well, if you understand Czech, good for you. If you don't, it's not important for this tutorial. We are also able to fill in some search engine data, as is the meta title and meta description, but we will skip it for now. And as you can see, here we can select the parent category. Since we are creating the first level category, we will not select any parent and we want our category to be visible to the customer. We will hit create, and as you can see, our category has an ID and it's been created. So we can easily go back to the list and here you can see the category, and we will create 2 more. We will select the parent category, which we created in the previous step. And we will hit create. Again, we'll go back and we'll create 1 more category in the second level. And here we are with our first category. So now, basically, the tree of our category has 2 levels, where there is the first one and there is the second level, which contains 2 categories. It's very simple and straightforward. I hope everything was clear, and that from now on you will be able to create categories in your seller e-commerce platform. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.